If you want Firefox to automatically delete cookies and site data every time you close it, this quick setting will help you stay more private and keep your browsing session clean. In this video, I'll show you exactly where to find the option, how to turn it on, and what to expect after you enable it. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple browser tips just like this. Let's jump in. First, open Firefox on your computer. In the top right corner, click the menu button with the 3 horizontal lines. This opens the main Firefox menu where you can access all of the browser settings. From the menu, click Settings. Once the settings page opens, look over to the left side and choose Privacy and Security. This is the section where Firefox keeps all of its privacy-related controls, including cookies, permissions, tracking protection, and browsing data options. Now scroll down until you find the Cookies and Site Data section. This area controls how Firefox stores website information on your device. Inside this section, you'll see an option that says Clear Cookies and Site Data every time you close Firefox. Go ahead and check that box. Once it is enabled, Firefox will automatically remove cookies and site data whenever you close the browser. That means websites won't keep you signed in the same way, and some site preferences may reset the next time you visit. This is useful if you want better privacy, or if you regularly use shared devices and don't want browsing data left behind. After turning it on, you can simply close the Settings tab. There's nothing else you need to do. Firefox will now handle the cleanup for you each time you exit the browser. If you ever want to turn this off, just return to the same cookies and site data section and uncheck the box. So that's how to delete cookies and site data when Firefox is closed. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe for more step-by-step browser tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.